Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best professional scroll saws in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is WEN 3921 16-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. The WEN 3921 scroll saw is our first product in the list, and it offers high performance and useful features. It has a spacious table of about 16x11 for cutting large workpieces and bevels up to 45 degrees to the left. Whether you prefer either pinned or pinless blades, this scroll saw will handle both of them. Variable speed option will allow you to adjust the speed from 550 to 1600 strokes per minute, SPM, by simply turning the knob. The warm work light is flexible to adjust and move the light to illuminate the workpieces of any size and shape. The cast iron base will prevent the vibrations and walking during operation. The table can be used for angled cuts, and the adjustable air pump will clear the saw dust from the workplace and thus provides a clear vision over your cutting/woodworking. It includes a hold-down foot clamp for securing the project in place along with flexible work light, LED light, to adjust. Number 2. Our second best pick is Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. The Rockwell BladeRunner RK7372 is an ultimate cutting machine that comes with better capacity and control than the original BladeRunner. This tabletop saw will feature increased portability and versatility. It is a must-have seen for any projects. It is lightweight and can easily be set up in a few seconds, and also, the user can change the blades in 3 seconds without any tools. It offers a variety of cuts, from ripping to intricate scroll designs. This versatile and convenient saw will cut wood, plastic, ceramic tile, aluminum and other metals. It uses standard 4T shank jigsaw blades with quick, tool-free blade changes that allows the user to go from cutting one material to another one easily. It works to free up your hands for precise control of the material to cut it accurately. It includes accessories like rip fence, miter gauge, scroll cutting blade for wood, purpose blade for wood, metal cutting blade/aluminum cutting blade, tile cutting blade for ceramic tile. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dewalt Scroll Saw. The DEWALT DW788 Scroll Saw comes with double parallel link arm design to have accurate cuts with less noise and vibration. The electronic variable speed, on/off switch, blade tensioning lever, and flexible dust blower are located on the front upper arm. The arm design will keep the blade work perpendicular to the work and thereby reduces the over or undercutting. The oversized cast iron table will provide an excellent material support and also bevels 45 degrees, left, right. The tool-free blade clamps allow the easy and quick blade changes in seconds. A 2-0 saw with electronic variable speed will help to create a quick, accurate and detailed workpiece with ease. Things we liked. It comes with less noise level, excellent speed controls and dust collection. It is a double parallel link arm design that reduces the noise and vibration while operating it. The blade can easily thread through material for inside cuts. The front upper arm contains electronic variable speed, on/off switch, and flexible dust blower. Things we didn't like. The blade sometimes is not centered at higher speeds. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dremel MS-2001 Moto Saw Variable Speed Compact Scroll Saw. This product is from Dremel Moto Saw, which offers a compact and easy solution for making detailed cuts in a variety of materials like plastic, wood, metal and laminates. The Dremel MS-2001 Scroll Saw is a portable precision scroll sawing tool that is easy to install, set up, operate and store. It functions as a stationary scroll saw, or removes it from its base to use as a portable motorized coping saw. The auto-tensioning quick change feature will allow the user to have easy accessory change and optimal tensioning by keeping the blade taut ready to cut. It comes with a clamp base in which it is attached to various benches, tables and surfaces. One can get the 1ms50 side cutting blade, 4ms51 wood and plastic blade, 4ms52 fine wood blade, 1ms53 metal blade, 10 cutting blades, Dremel Moto Saw Scroll Saw, vacuum adapter and one hard case in this pack. It accepts only pinned blades but not both blades for its operation. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Rockwell Store Shop Series RK7372 Scroll Saw. Shop Series is well known for providing superior engineering and design to their wide range of power tools that are designed to last for a long time. This scroll saw is equipped with 1.2 amp motor which is powerful enough to handle a variety of woodworking jobs like joints, intricate cuts, and curves. It ensures clean and accurate cuts every single time without causing any mess. Product information. Voltage, 110 V/60 Hz. Motor amperage, 1.2 A. Speed, 550 to 1700 SPM. Maximum cutting width, 1/6. Maximum cutting thickness, 2. Blade stroke, 3/4. Weight, 31 pounds. Table tilt, 0 to 45 degrees. Power source, electric powered. Material, cast iron. Dimensions, 26 by 16 by 26 inches. Things we liked. Combination of engineering and design. Reliable and easy to use. It is built to keep dust from blocking the view. Enhanced operating safety. Things we didn't like. Tedious to reclamp the blades. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.